Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Gurprit Jandu from Teeth and Face. This is a message for any dentists who are doing fixed orthodontics, even dentists who are doing Invisalign, and they'd like to learn more about achieving better outcomes for their patients who have cases that they want to discuss. Ian Hutchinson from Assure Orthodontics is holding a day in Solihull in June where he's going to be helping people through cases, delivering pearls of wisdom. I mean, Ian's been a mentor of mine for several years. He's been integral in me achieving the results that I achieve with my patients, and he can do the same for you. So we hope to see you there. So it's in June. Check out Ian's page for more details. All the best.